Hi guys, my name is Gloria Unfiltered. Yeah, so basically, this is my personal channel. Yes, I have other channels where I post AI animation and my African folklore stories. Yeah, that one is faceless. But this particular channel, Gloria Unfiltered, is my personal channel. So get used to this face. You'll be seeing it more often. So if you are first time coming across my video, thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate you. Or as my personal channel, sorry, please subscribe. Help my growth. Take me there. Yes, you heard me. But please, I'm begging. I don't have pride. So um I know I have an AI channel where I post my African folktale stories and all of that. But guy, let me tell you one thing I have learned about this YouTube. If you want to really grow your YouTube channel, try and be posting shorts. Even if you are running an AI channel. The thing you'll be doing is you should get the short, interesting part of that story, add it to the short. But if you want to do this and link it to the video, you have to use your YouTube dashboard. You don't have to post it directly from AI, from normal YouTube app. You have to go to the Chrome and use YouTube dashboard to do that. It will help attract people to that story without them going through your channel and start scrolling. You understand? Yes. But the fastest way to grow your YouTube channel to your first 1,000 subscribers is by posting shorts. If you go through this channel, you see I post shorts more often because it's a new channel and I want to grow it to 1,000 subscribers. So if you have a YouTube channel or you are looking forward to grow a YouTube channel, the truth of the matter is you have to do shorts. And for you to get your viral shorts, what you should be doing more is using the sounds that are already on YouTube to do the shorts. Yes. You can also post short short clips that you made for your TikTok or so. But the best and fastest way to get view, because I've noticed it, if I bring a random video and post it, it hardly get views. But if I use the funny sound clips here on YouTube to do it, I used to get more views than if I bring in a random already video that I uploaded on my TikTok or my Facebook. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers faster, try and be posting more often with shorts, which is you have to be posting 2 to 3 shorts daily. Yes, and if people might say, what is the particular time to post? The thing is, you don't know um YouTube algorithm yet. So what you should be doing is you post in the morning, post afternoon, and post in evening. Know how that in 1 week, 2 weeks, any of this video will not pick up. It's not true. It will pick up, but your consistency matters. So don't just give up. I'm still at the time of recording this video, I'm still at 46. For you to know how new this channel is. It's very new. I'm still at 46 subscribers. But I'm keeping hope crossed and also taking it one step at a time. If you have any any big YouTuber, like popular YouTuber that inspire you, use that person as a point of contact. But that person once had a 0 subscribers. That's just the truth. So you trust the process, there's no shortcut, or just do what you know that is right to do and see yourself flying. So my dear, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment because it will really help me. Thank you all and see you in my next video. Bye.